Hello everybody, welcome back to another interesting video. On the menu today we'll have chicken suya. So guys, I'll be sharing with you how to make tasty chicken suya. So if you are interested, please keep watching, okay? Here is our chicken all washed. We're using chicken legs. So you go ahead and make some incision if you want to use it immediately. I will be leaving it for some hours, okay, to marinate. All right, that's why I didn't make any incision. So you go ahead and season with some salt. Now we are going in with our seasoning. Next is a teaspoon of ginger powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of paprika powder, a tablespoon of suya spice, a teaspoon of minced herbs. Next is a teaspoon of pepper flakes. Once you've added it, drizzle in some little amount of sesame oil and mix to well combine. Please add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. I realize I do not have it at home. Please, okay, take note. Once you have added everything, go on and mix, okay? Combine it very well using your hands. Hello, to you that is meeting my video for the first time, you're welcome. This channel teaches how to make easy, delicious meals, baking, easy chops and snacks, and more. So if it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and hit the subscription button, okay? So you become part of this amazing family. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, okay? Thank you. So guys, at this point, we're done mixing. As you can see, they are looking well mixed. Yes. Now, go ahead and cover it up with a cling film or your foil paper. So guys, we're going to allow it to marinate for hours, okay? This is morning. I'm doing it in the morning to use it in the evening. So you see, I'm going to be marinating it for hours. You can do overnight as well. We want it very tasty, okay? Remember, we are making tasty chicken suya. Moving on, guys. Get your baking pan and spread out your parchment paper or your foil paper on it. Now, here is our chicken, well marinated, guys. Look at how it is looking. So you place them on your baking pan. We are going to grill them, okay? But if you do not have an oven, you can deep fry them. You can use your frying pan and your vegetable oil deep fry. If you have been watching my videos, you will know that I love grilling my chicken or my protein just to minimize fat. Okay, now pop into your oven and grill to satisfaction, okay? And there you have it, guys. After few minutes of grilling, look at what we have here, guys. This is perfect. This is how we want it. If you want it more dry, keep grilling. If you don't want it to get to this point, it's just on you, okay? Oh my, this is looking lovely. This is looking lovely. Please give this recipe a go. You will enjoy it. It is super easy, guys. Very easy to make. Let me seize this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my newest and returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing family. Guys, your baby girl is very grateful. Thank you, guys, for all you do. Thank you for your comments, the likes, the subscriptions. I am grateful. Please keep it up, okay? And God bless you all. All right, guys, this is us plating our tasty, delicious chicken suya. Look at how it is looking. So lovely, beautiful, yummy. Please give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you in the comment section. Also, remember to share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. All right, guys, thank you for joining me in creating this delicious recipe. And if you found it interesting, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe and as well follow for more easy, tasty recipes. And until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling. Bye.